Welcome to Project Vape Light. Today we are taking apart the Snowplus Go 10,000. There's a bunch of these, and on the channel I've turned most of these into vapes. Let's start with the inertial opening method. That pops open the bottom of the case a bit, and let's pry it open with our pry tool over here. These are all press fit. It's kind of amazing to see the engineering that goes into these. Alright, the bottom cover comes off. There's the insulator. There's our battery and the reservoir, or the bottom of the reservoir. And with our handy dandy little pair of pliers, the battery comes out. And it's interesting because everything's just not even pressed in, it's just held in by the piece of foam here. And now we have detail of the battery itself. 3.7 volts, 650 milliamps. Pretty good for these ones. And now we move on to taking apart the reservoir. First, we have to remove the silicone bottom cover. And the blasting cap, the heating coil comes with it. Oh, man, it looks so nasty inside, dude. And we have the top insulator, the top silicone cover, and it has a casing. Clear plastic casing. There's an insulator for the heating coil. Oh, and I messed that up. Oh, it's so messy now. It's kind of interesting. Probably the vape reservoir juice thing is assembled first and then put all together at the assembly line. Of course, the mouthpiece. Can't forget that. And let's take apart the bottom part. I haven't actually been able to take this apart on video before, but it's really just simple. It's 3 screws. There's nothing much under this too. It's just the charging port. So we'll pry the board up and remove it. It's kind of stuck in there because it's tight fit. You can see the charging port. And we'll have a close-up of the board here. Really nothing too remarkable. It's just 2 wires coming out of the USB-C. And a couple resistors, I think. There's a bottom seal that's silicone, and there's a small metal pipe there for the inlet, and a cover to adjust the airflow, and the ASIC is just glued in. Yum. So that's the entirety of the assembly of the vape. There's the electrical system, there's the vape reservoir, and you can see how it's put together at the factory. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped. Please comment, like, subscribe, rate 5 stars.